Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee nut. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of raw peanuts, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This simple recipe creates a delicious, crunchy snack perfect for any time. It's a fun and easy treat to prepare at home. Once your oven is preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, spread the raw peanuts in a single layer on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Roast them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a light golden brown color. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. This step is crucial for developing their nutty flavor and crisp texture. While the peanuts are still warm from the oven, quickly transfer them to a mixing bowl. In a separate small bowl, combine the 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle this mixture over the warm peanuts and toss thoroughly. The warmth helps the coating adhere perfectly. After coating, spread the coffee nuts back onto the baking sheet and let them cool completely. This allows the coating to harden and the peanuts to become perfectly crunchy. Once cooled, transfer them to an airtight container to maintain their freshness for several days. They make a fantastic snack or a unique gift. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.